Welcome to our lesson on how to be a smart reader when it comes to climate change information. We'll learn how to spot trustworthy sources, recognize false information, and think critically about what we read. When looking for climate change information, it's important to use trustworthy sources. These include science magazines and journals, government websites like National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration and NASA, well-known international organizations like the IPCC and WHO, and universities. Trustworthy sources usually share certain features. They explain their methods, list their sources, are recently published, are written by experts, and focus on facts rather than opinions. False information, or misinformation, includes incorrect or misleading facts. It often spreads quickly on social media, can be shared on purpose or by accident, and might use emotional language or only select certain facts to make a point. Common climate change myths include claims that it isn't real, that it's all natural, or that scientists don't agree about it. Other myths suggest that fighting climate change will harm the economy, or that extreme weather isn't related to climate change. To check facts, look at multiple trustworthy sources and find out where the information originally came from. Use fact-checking websites that focus on climate science. Always check where data comes from and how it was collected, and be careful of old information, as climate science is always updating. Thinking critically is key when reading about climate change. Question what you read and your own beliefs. Look at the evidence and reasoning. Think about other possible explanations, and always check if the source is trustworthy. Watch out for tricky arguments in climate discussions. These include only using facts that support one side, presenting limited choices, making personal attacks, assuming natural things are always good, or exaggerating possible consequences. When evaluating climate change information, check if the source is trustworthy and if most scientists agree. Look for recent peer-reviewed research. Be careful of exaggerated claims or oversimplifications, and always look at the bigger picture. Some helpful tools for evaluating information include the CRAP test, which checks if information is current, relevant, from an authority, accurate, and its purpose. The SIFT method encourages you to stop and think, investigate sources, find better coverage, and trace claims. Cross-checking means comparing information across multiple sources. To wrap up, understanding information is crucial for learning about climate change. Be critical of what you read and hear, practice fact-checking, and stay informed through reliable sources. By sharing accurate information, we can all help others better understand climate change.